Alright guys, what's up? Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to see about installing a new air filter on the HeartBreaker charger. Alright, intake and exhaust. Unfortunately, as you can see, this new air filter requires about 16, what do they call them? Engine upgrade kits, and I have 9. Which means that we're gonna have to kick some ass on the strip. We're gonna hit back, 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 and we're gonna wait a while. Multiplayer, and since since you can only use the upgrade kit multiplier lady in live multiplayer, that's what we're gonna do. So accept, and let's go in. Well, that was quick. I didn't even get to see what kind of car we're up against. Definitely could have revved that a little better. .963 seconds. That's pretty good. Now, some of you might be running cars in the low 8s, but the HeartBreaker is not yet to that level. And now we wait for the next race. I don't want to put that there. How about up there? Oh, the mysterious racer. I have a feeling the HeartBreaker's about to get her ass handed to her. Or not. We want a chest. What's in it? $500, a chassis tuning, and 6 upgrade kits. Not to mention, apparently we didn't win any for that. Chevelle SS. Ooh, he has the racing edition. Fancy. Oh. Whoops. Definitely did not mean to do that. Everybody else saw this car pass the line first, right? Oh well, c'est la vie. Still annoying though. Anyhow, let's go see if we have enough to put the air filter on. Garage. Upgrade. In fact, we do. And install. And because I don't want it to take up space for absolutely no reason, we're going to sell that. Oh, look at that. How many do I need? I need 5 more than I already have. Well, maybe that'll be the next video. This one's already 6 minutes long. So, I hope you enjoyed watching me kick ass and then get cheated out of a win. Hope y'all come back next time.